So there's my start and my finish. So this is where I want to end up. Okay? If I was correcting for the, well, I should draw on the current here too. Here's the current. We know it's flowing west, so this V is what we're trying to find out. I know the distance right across the lake is 2.2 kilometers or 2,200 meters. If I knew that there was an undercurrent and it was going to push me this way, I would have obviously swam which direction? This way. So if I knew there was an undercurrent, I would have swam this way. So my speed as a swimmer is 0.83 meters per second. So that's why I'm going to put that on that vector, because that is my speed and I was swimming theoretically in that direction. Which we didn't figure out there was an undercurrent until we were in the middle of the lake, because it's kind of hard to tell 2 kilometers apart, like how far off of the finish line you are. In the middle of the lake, we were just like, and you would swim for another 20 minutes, because I was timing, another 20 minutes later, I'm like, we should have been there, and we're still in the middle of the lake. So I think it was bad. Anyways, okay, it was very, story time. Okay, also, I know my time is the same on all sides of the triangle, so I'm just going to put my time here is 80 minutes, which in seconds I multiply by 60, and I get 4,800 seconds. So we can find the velocity of this horizontal vector. So V is equal to D over T. So V is equal to 2,200 meters divided by 4,800 seconds. So this velocity is 0.458 meters per second. So I'm just going to redraw my vectors with the velocities that I do know. So my horizontal vector is V is equal to 0.458 meters per second. My swimming vector is 0.83 meters per second. And my vector of the current is what I'm trying to find. So, what can I do? Use Pythagorean's theorem. So I'm going to set this is my C, this is B, and I'm trying to find A. But the question asked me to find the velocity, so I need to put in my direction as well. So my V of the current was equal to 0.69 meters per second, and the direction was just directly south. It doesn't require an angle since it was going directly south. This is strong current for a lake.
But if we said 0 degrees south of south.
Sure. It makes sense. it's not a wrong statement, it's just, interesting.